Be sure to click on the 3D tour to find the hidden Mickeys. Practically brand new home offering incredible upgraded Wi-Fi system throughout the home, high ceilings, upgraded kitchen, baths and more. Tucked away on an interior lot with a partially fenced yard is awesome home. The floor plan is quite flexible for today's busy lifestyle, yet perfect if you have overnight guests or visiting relatives. Off the covered front porch with paver sidewalk is a large foyer with wainscoting, flanked by the guest suite, additional bedroom with full bath, garage entrance and large laundry room. The family room offers large windows, plenty of wall space for artwork, large furniture and has direct access to the dining room, kitchen and living room. All with a great view of the covered patio and spacious backyard. The kitchen offers all granite counters, California-style oversized island, big cabinets and glass backsplash. The master suite with multiple windows has 2 big walk-in closets adjacent to the nice size bath with garden tub, separate shower and double vanities. The home office could be transformed back to a 4th bedroom, also has high ceilings, upgraded flooring and adjacent to the guest suite with full bath. The upgraded 15-SEER HVAC hardly takes up any space in the garage, allowing extra storage possibilities, plus there is extended Wi-Fi too. The laundry area is where all of the upgraded Wi-Fi and Cat 5 cables connect. The turnpike is nearby along